Hey everyone, Pilot here, and today we're going to be looking at Frieza in his second form, and this is from the Banpresto World Figure Colosseum. If you look at the box, really nothing much to it. On one side it shows you that it has two different versions. There's the colored, and then there's a gray scale. And the back just has a close-up of it. Alright, so how about we get this open? Just cut the tape. Alright, here we go. More tape. Always so much tape. And like all the other ones we've seen, there's different pieces here. And then the stand is also in multiple pieces. Alright. Let's start getting everything out. Oh, this is the most amount of assembly we've come across so far in these videos. At least for the stand. And no directions, so we're just gonna wing it. Alright. It's not too bad. Pieces have little cutouts on them to let you know how it should go. Maybe this fits into there. And then where would this fit? I think this is for maybe to hold his tail. Let's get the figure out. Start putting him together too. Now, Frieza in his second form is the form that King Cold was shown in. Which, I don't know why King Cold never went to any other. I guess he was just thought he was powerful enough where he didn't have to transform. Now, the only forms I really like were his base and then his full power. So not bad. Put his head on. Just snap that in. Well, doesn't really snap, but you know, it just slides in. Oh, this one's harder. It takes some real pushing. Let's take the head off so we don't damage his horns while we do this. Okay, put his head back on. For his first tail segment. Oh, jeez. And then there we go. Alright, now let's figure out how he's supposed to go on this stand. Oh, well, his foot has a little notch in it, so that's easy enough. I should go there. Yes, easy enough. Well, then this doesn't make sense being here. That's really strange. What am I doing wrong? Let me know in the comments if any of you have had trouble trying to... If any of them come with these stands that everything has to be just right. That are a little bit confusing. I could just do it like that, I guess. But, this has got to go on. It's supposed to be there, but I just... Oh, the bottom of his leg. I don't know if you can see that. Right there. Has a little peg notch. Oh. This does go here. Okay. That still doesn't explain this. I would assume... Oh, okay, I get it. This doesn't connect to the base. This is a separate one. Just for his tail. Which, even... That's kind of pointless, because... The stand doesn't go all the way down. So, really... You only need that, I guess? Because if you put this here... See, it moves. It's not completely flat. But still, it's nice. It's I guess they just wanted to be extra secure. Now, I've always liked the colors of Frieza because he has the pink and the white with purple. And the white kind of has like a purplish hue to it, just like in this figure. If you look at his... You know, we're just going to take this away for now. This is getting in the way. Now, if you look at his head and his chest, it's actually a clear coating on here, so you can see through, and that's where these details are. It's not on it, it's in it. Same thing with the shoulders. The details are underneath the purple clear resin. And he has his cocky little smirk on, getting ready for an attack. And his tail is really long. I mean, I can understand the point of them supplying this, because I guess maybe after a while it might start to maybe put a little bit too much pressure or weight, so it might come loose up here at the base of the tail. But I don't know, I just don't like, because it raises the stand up. Like, see? It's just not... I don't know, they did the sizing wrong. My table is completely flat. So, okay. Yeah, so I'm going to be on the lookout to try to find Frieza in his base form. I think that would look good next to having Super Saiyan Goku next to him. But, I would have gotten the grayscale, but they didn't have it. But then again, I don't really care for the grayscale too much. It does look nice, but I like it to be represented the way it was on the show, not the way it would look in the manga. I just like color. But if I do see the grayscale one, I will pick it up, and I'll do a video on that one too. So, hope you guys like this video, like and subscribe, and I will see you later.